Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 814285. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer, and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the NZXT Phantom Green. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. This is Windows 8.1 booting up on a 120GB Corsair Neutron SSD. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a better look inside. Take a look inside your computer. First thing you'll notice is your Asetek 550LC liquid cooling unit, cooling an Intel Core i7-4930K processor. Beside that is 16GB of Kingston HyperX 1600MHz RAM. And for your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 780. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Rampage 4 motherboard, and you also selected green professional cable sleeving. For lighting in the system, you selected dual green cold cathodes. And for extra fans, you selected two 120mm Cooler Master sickle flows. Powering your system is a 1000-watt power supply. And for storage, you selected a Corsair Neutron 120GB SSD, along with a secondary 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the top of your computer, on the right side you have your built-in fan controller. You can speed up or slow down your fans by moving these back and forth. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you have your DVD writer. Taking a look at the side panel, you chose to have some custom airbrushing done. We airbrushed the RuneScape 3 logo along with your gamertag Fogolicious beneath it. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, Clear CMOS, Republic Gamers Connect, 4 USB 2.0 ports, eSATA, 2 USB 2.0 ports, your Bluetooth module, 4 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, another eSATA, and your various audio jacks. And beneath that we have the ports for your graphics card. We have 2 DVI, HDMI, and display. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, you'll see your 120GB hard drive along with your 2TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, your Intel Core i7-4930K processor with 16GB of RAM and Windows 8.1 as your operating system. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 780 graphics card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes just to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, the computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.